Want to learn how to perfectly outline a sticker in Procreate? Look no further. In this tutorial, I'm going to share with you how easy it is to do that. Hello there, Stephanie here from My Prints Collection, the place where I share with you the best ways for you to use the Procreate app so that you can make money online. This is one of the tutorials of my Christmas Gnome series for Procreate. In the previous tutorial, I share with you how to color in Procreate without going over the lines using the selection tool. If you haven't and would like to watch the previous tutorials of this series, the links will be in the description below. Let's learn how to perfectly outline a sticker in Procreate that you can incorporate into any design.
So let's open the Procreate app. In this case, I'm using a screen size Canva, and I'm using a different gnome. You can use the gnome that I've provided, and I've used the technique in the previous tutorial to paint this one, but the goal of this tutorial is to quickly create a perfect outline. So with my gnome selected, what I'm gonna do is duplicate the gnome, and underneath I'm gonna select with 2 fingers and select the color white and click here on fill layer, on alpha lock it with 2 fingers, and now I'm gonna go to my adjustments, Gaussian blur, and I'm gonna blur this until I reach, let's say, 25%. So I'm happy with it. And now what I'm gonna do is go to my selection tool, make sure that color fill is not selected and automatic, and I'm gonna select my gnome. So I'm gonna keep increasing, so like this, and I'm gonna, as you can see, the outline over here. So let's see how happy I am with the outline. I'm happy with the outline, and now I'm gonna click on the layer and fill layer. So I'm happy with the outline created, but I want to make sure that it erases. So I'm gonna click on select, and I'm gonna invert with 3 fingers, swipe and click cut to make sure that that fuzziness around here is deleted. If you want to increase or decrease the outline, you can play around with the Gaussian blur and the selection tool. And there you go. We've perfectly created an outline for your sticker.
And we are done. We have just learned how to perfectly outline a sticker in Procreate that you can take inspiration from and apply to any of your designs. In the next tutorial, we are going to learn how to create a seamless pattern in Procreate. If you like Christmas Gnome stamps, make sure to check out my full Christmas Gnome stamp for Procreate or grab a sample of the set. The links will be in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next tutorial, happy drills and illustrations.